How to use video marketing for your business. Marketing your business with video can bring the best results and help you grow your business faster. Most business owners are not realizing the full potential of video marketing. When it comes to video marketing, there are many ways for you to reach your desired audience, and some of these marketing strategies can actually help your business grow faster. Most businesses today are offering subscriptions to their best products or services. Subscription marketing isn't a new idea, but it does give you added flexibility, and means your business can reach people from different parts of the world. You can use video marketing to reach all parts of your target audience. And with the new technology, you can attract your audience remotely as well. With your customers watching your marketing video, you can learn about their likes and dislikes, and make changes to your business quickly and regularly. This keeps your business current and relevant with your customers. Video marketing doesn't have to come with a price tag. You can make your marketing video for free, and it is not much more expensive than a print advertisement. In fact, you can make a marketing video for just a few pounds. So, there are no worries about spending money on expensive advertising mediums. Another thing that is great about video marketing is, as you watch your marketing video, your mind will automatically picture the image of what it will feel like to use your product, and what it will feel like to spend your money on your business. This is a strong memory that you can use to motivate your future customers. Video marketing is an advertising tool, and as such, you do want to keep the memory of your video alive, so that your customers can see it every day. It's a good thing to have a marketing plan that works in video format. Marketing video can help businesses get the customers that they want to reach, and make sure that they stay loyal to their business. With video marketing, you can create a campaign that gets your customers' attention, and will keep them watching your marketing video. When it comes to marketing strategies for your business, video is a great way to get and keep the attention of your targeted audience. With a video, you can be very personal towards your audience. And this personal approach works best in video marketing. Video marketing can be a powerful tool for your business to reach your customers. Video is a personal marketing strategy, and that is why most businesses prefer to do video marketing. You can be very present towards your audience, and that is what you want from your marketing video. This keeps your business relevant towards your audience, and that creates loyalty from your customers. This video was created in Vidnami, the easiest to use video creation software. This video and audio presentation was created using a simple text file with the simple to use video creation software. Try the software for yourself. Get 14 days free trial. Click the link in the description.